Bankrupt. Today's Central Falls state-appointed receiver appeared in court for the first hearing since filing for Chapter 9 protection Monday. Robert Flanders is asking the court to void the city's collective bargaining agreements and employment contracts. Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly has the very latest developments live now outside bankruptcy court in Providence.
Susan, this was the first court hearing for the first city or town ever in Rhode Island to declare bankruptcy. It's a dubious distinction. Rhode Island's poorest and smallest city, Central Falls, is now the state's first and only city ever to file for bankruptcy. Immediately, the receiver for Central Falls, retired Supreme Court Justice Robert Flanders, voided the city's existing contracts with its workers. He cut roughly half the pensions of most public safety retirees, and he ordered them to start kicking in 20% of their health care costs. The goal, shrink the city's expenses by about 1/3.
It's not going to be easy. No one thinks it's going to be a snap to get it done, but we can do it.
We take the position.
Already, lawyers for the unions that represent the city's workers are geared up for a fight. But the lawyer for the city's receiver sees no alternatives to bankruptcy.
The question is, what is the or else? And the or else is we pretend the problem doesn't exist. We do what other administrations in Central Falls have done and kick it down the road. Except the road isn't going to go very long, because if we do nothing, if we don't make the changes so that we have a truly balanced budget, we will drive off the.
The receiver for Central Falls tells us that shrinking the city's expenses by roughly 1/3 will mean about 40 layoffs. Live outside bankruptcy headquarters with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.
We have in-depth coverage of Central Falls financial crisis on our website. Go to WPRI.com to find an interactive timeline, court documents, and WPRI.com reporter Ted Nesi's in-depth analysis on how the city got to this point.